the A shapes. Now let's look at the A shapes. Like I said, this is Caged. These are the A shapes from Caged. And we have the good old 5R3. Okay, so we've got a root there, and then we've got a fifth there. That is the way it works. Very, very simple, because we look for the third. Oh, there it is. And then let's play this as a sus2, and that gives us a root, a second, and a fifth. So we're going to take that fifth, take that root there, and then take that third and drop it down to this open string here, and then we can have another fifth there as well. So this is the sus2 chord, and this is very simple, and there's not much to write about with this one. It's that. Here's the major. Yeah, and just to show you that this is going to work as a minor. So there is A minor, A sus2, A sus4. Yeah, that riff utilizes that idea there. But look, major, sus2, sus4, okay, so we can use that there, and it becomes easy. Now, sus4, dead easy. We've got a root, we've got a fourth, and we've got a fifth. Fifth, root, and we put the 4 just there. Okay, we're just moving it up. So that lives there. Now, remember me talking about that Lydian suspension? All right, I'm just going to call it Lydian sus, because really the formula for that is root, sharp 4, 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have fifth, root, and I put my sharp 4 here. Yeah, I've got my root there. It's an easier shape to play. I'm not going to play that note there, but here's how that sounds. And it's going to sound off. Fifth, root, sharp 4. But I can go to a sus2 on it as well. And the cool thing about that sharp 4 is that it's the third of chord 5. So that's a good way of looking at that one. But the suspension works with all of those there. Now, let's just quickly look at a major with an add 9. So if we've got that A shape there, what we want to do is we want to think, well, where's my 9 going to be? There's my root. That would be where my second is. Remember, 2 and 9 are enharmonic, 4 and 11 are enharmonic. So look, add the 9. I've got to put this on here. So I'm going to go fifth. I'm going to go put my third there. I'm going to put the 9 just here. I'm going to bar across here, have the root, and I have that there. All right, so that's the chord shape. There's your A. And what I do is I take the root and turn it into a 9. Yeah, we know that one. We should do. But there you go. So that is with the add 9. Now we can also have a minor with an add 9. And we add that there, then what ends up happening, we have got the flat third here, we've got the fifth here, we've got the 9 here, we've got the root here. And this is what you're looking for. You're looking for all those notes there. Now this is going to be a bit tricky. There's the A minor. So I've got fifth, root, flat 3. Take the root, move it up to the 9 there. So it's going to be this shape. I'm not putting the third finger on there, by the way. It has to hover. But the string's just slotting into the cut on my index finger. Lovely. Yeah, so there's the A minor, add 9, yeah. Just adds that extra sound to it there.